Uh, the, I, I think I think I made the wrong turn somewhere because I was going to catch the subway. You know, it goes under. It's sub. But this is more like sub under. This is huge, but I don't know about this place. I mean, they told me that the place was safe, but I don't know what this guy. This is not safe. This is not safe. I can smell the Pacific. Cool. I gotta find a place to stop and go by the ocean. Oh, I see the Pacific! Oh, wow! Yeah! I know I have the wrong shoes for the beach, but I gotta touch the Pacific. Yeah! I touched the Pacific! Oh! Oh! Oh, cool. Yeah. That was cool. First time actually touching the Pacific. That's the beach down there. Highway 101, California. Yippee-ki-yay! Look at that. Wow. We gotta stop over here real quick. I just have to stop over here. I just have to stop right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, whoa! Whoa, big pothole.
Proceed to the route.
I know. This is my route right here. Wow. There's a pothole. Darn big one. Wow. Look at that view. Cool. This is cool. Cool. Bigfoot! 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 Right there! Oh! 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 False alarm. Sorry. The beauty lies not just in the ocean, but the ocean and those jagged rocks and the mountains right behind it with redwood trees, ginormous. They're over here somewhere. That is really neat. To California we go, to California we go, we go. Goes! There's a Redwoods Information Center up here. I'm still like 80 some miles from there, and I'm not going to go there today. But I think I'm going to go there and get some information. Wow, this is a nice place. Look at this. Oh, butthole. There's the Pacific again. Look at that. Ah, cool. Alright, so this place just closed. Just 4 o'clock or 4:30. What time is it? I don't know. Oh well. We want to go this way. Eureka! I just realized something. I'm gonna spend the night in Eureka or around Eureka, but that's not why I'm laughing. I'm gonna see a sunset over the ocean for the first time in about 30 years. I changed my mind. I'm not going to Eureka and Planet Fitness just yet. This is U-turn and proceed to Freshwater Lagoon Road. I know. Please, I know what I'm doing. Listen, don't argue with me, okay? I know what I'm doing. No, I know what I'm doing. Trust me. Look. No, listen to me. Stop. Look at this view. Look at this view. This is where I'm going to be for the sunset. This is where I'm going to be for the sunset. La da 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 da. Oh, potholes, potholes, potholes! Yep, I think I'm gonna park right here. So that's where I park, right there. And look at, I got mountains behind me, and I got the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Nice. The sun is about an hour and a half from setting, give or take a few minutes. Oh, hold on, I gotta take this. Check out my my front yard over here. Dinner and a sunset. Cool. Isn't that a wonderful view? Right out of my side door. Cool. And the sun is setting. In about an hour or so, we're gonna have a beautiful sunset by the beach. I just realized the sunset is at 6:08, not 6:50. It's going now, I gotta hurry up. Look at that, beautiful.